Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid and I am a student. It's mentioned in Quran that sun and other planets revolve and rotate in a fixed orbit. And at other place relating to the doomsday, it's mentioned that earth will collide with sun in somewhat a spiral form. When revolution and rotation can, then the phenomenon of collision takes place, how is it possible?
The brother posed the question that it says that the sun and the earth rotate. And some places it says sun and the earth will collide. Some places it says that. But as I told you, there are certain statements in the Quran talking about the signs of the Day of Judgment. And I myself quoted in Surah Qiyamah, chapter 75, verse number 8 and 9, that the sun and the moon will join together. When? On the Day of Judgment, not today. It is giving you signs of Day of Judgment. It's not telling you that today it will happen. The name of the surah is Surah Qiyamah, Day of Resurrection. And give various signs that the moon will be buried in darkness, the stars will fall down, the ocean will swell up, etc. These are signs of the Day of Judgment. Has it happened? No. But before the world ends, it will surely happen. Hope that answers the question. Nowhere does the Quran say a normal circumstance will happen.
One question I'll ask now on the slip, then on the mic, one on the slip, then on the mic.